Hey guys, it's Anthony here, Super Duty Service. Man, I'm still sick. Freaking sucks, can't talk. But we got Ty's truck here. It is straight up 03, 231,000 miles. Had a hot no start before. It was the passenger side, went in, put HHCs, nipple cups in it. I let Ty do his own top injector O-rings because I don't do those here. I just don't do them. But here we go again. Got another hot no start. Now, if it's on the passenger side, then, you know, I don't know. I mean, 03s are notorious for that. Once you have a problem, it's like the only fix we can do is put Mark and Corey HHC diesels nipple cups in and put new injectors in, you know. But we'll see where the leak is. It might be the driver's side now. If it is, who knows. But I'm gonna get some screens set up. We're gonna do a cold start diag too, just in case we got a top injector O-ring messed up and an injector issue. You know, I want to see how the injectors are, because there's no use in putting top injector O-rings in an injector that's not healthy. So hang on, let me get some stuff set up. Damn, he's got glow plug. Look at that. Cylinder 2 contribution balance. And EGR, I don't know if it's deleted or not. 4, 5, 6 for glow plugs. And low ICP. So looks like we got a glow plug issue. I'm gonna go ahead and, I got those documented. I'm gonna go ahead and clear those codes out. Let's go ahead and clear them out, and then we'll that way I can run the glow plug test and those codes will be gone once we fire it up. But yeah, I'm gonna clear those out, get the data logger up. Hang on a second. All right, we're stuck with the EGR sensor A. That's yeah, I mean, the valve screwed up, so it's probably already deleted. I don't remember. So let's go ahead and get the data logger open. Kind of a bummer here. VGT is not learned. Right there. What a freaking drag. Hang on. All right, here's what we got. If I cycle the key off and on like I normally do, it'll throw a glow plug code. I might just go ahead and do that. ICP volts appear to be okay right now. We'll watch the IPR. I'm gonna go ahead and cycle it. Heck with it. Let's watch the FICM up top. 47.5 appears to be not bad. See if I can get this to stay focused. It's cold start, like intake air is 50 degrees. All right, chatter just stopped. Here we go. See how high that IPR went. All right, let's see the injectors here. See if I can get this freaking thing to stay focused. Okay, shut off the compensation. Questionable. Just watching it a little bit. See number 3 and number 5. Number 1. We did have a contribution code for number 2. Number 3 dropped pretty good right there when I shut the compensation, turned it back on. Alright. So we at least showed that for a minute. See, it doesn't have VGT learn. It's not hold right here. It's not holding the vein strategy. Oh. IPR is at 32%, but it's freaking cold. So I'm gonna let it warm up a little bit. Let's let it warm up, hang on. Hey guys, we got an issue going on. It's warmed up fairly well. I gotta drive a little bit more, but still conditions not correct, and VGT learn is not happening. So I've just been letting it warm up. Time to go drive it. All right guys, let me make this turn here and I'll show it. We do got a leak. Let me see. Hope I got no cars behind me. I don't know why it's so freaking dark. Hang on. Hang on. All right, there you go. We're gonna watch that IPR percentage. We're still high, 25%. Here we go. We don't want to see 84. There you go. All right, so it's maxing out. So it'll probably no start right now. I'm gonna do a little more driving, get the temperature up a little higher. What is our temperature here? We're 172 on oil. So we'll do a little more driving, not much, get it back to the shop, make sure it hot nose starts, and then get in and go right now. Air test. All right, hang on. All right, shit, I need to do a glow plug test. We're gonna do that here in a second. Hang on. Okay, well, shit. Came down the street of the shop, pulled it down, went to turn around, pull it back in the bay, and here we go. Just freaking died. It died on me. 84%, only building 360 pounds. Damn it. So we got to get the King Quad out, get the four-wheeler out, and drag it in. I'm going to go ahead and end it on that. We'll make another video when we get the air test going. All right, guys, have a good day.